Garden Crew is a group of kids. It meets on Monday and Thursday.
We harvest, we plant, and we water. Even we have compost to plant new plants.
Right now we're planting a new garden. We have greenhouses we're setting up.
We were just raking a lot of dirt for our greenhouses, and we built the greenhouse, and we're gonna put stuff on it so we can grow plants.
And we also have a new compost bin that we didn't have last week.
I'm from the original Garden Crew. I know a lot about this garden. Planted sunflowers, we got beans. There was these carrots that I absolutely adored. And we got potatoes. Well, they usually are ready to harvest in about first frost, probably.
I really liked planting and harvesting the crops. And I'm excited for Wednesday too, because we're having like a hot harvest. So some kids parents are gonna cook with like vegetables and fruits from our gardens.
My favorite thing about Garden Crew is that we get to plant and learn how to take care of plants.
Me too.